Ever wonder what it's like to live in a different city? 3 people in different neighborhoods invite us into their homes and give us a glimpse of what it's like to live in Mumbai, India. This is Apartments Around the World. First up, Andheri West.
Hi, I'm Sasha and I live in one of the western suburbs of Mumbai called Andheri West. Actually, the area is really popular for 2 things. One, because a lot of young people live here, a lot of bars and clubs. Mostly, I think people would know the area because there are a lot of popular Bollywood TV production houses here like Yash Raj Films and Balaji. I live in a 1 BHK, that's 1 bedroom, hall and kitchen. It's a 1 bedroom flat with 1 bathroom, about 477 square feet. My rent is 17,500 rupees a month and I live here with a roommate. So together our rent is 35,000 rupees a month. Our building is pretty old, but the great thing about this apartment is that it came fully furnished with all appliances. It was perfect for 2 broke girls to just move in with their suitcases. This is the living room. As you can see, we haven't done a lot of decorating because we are very broke, but it is a really cozy space. It has these 2 beautiful windows. We have 2 couches. They came with the place. There's one of the ACs, and this place has 2, which is quite rare at our price point. A lot of cheaper apartments in Bombay are literally just 1 long corridor. It's a very Bombay specific thing which I love because it makes your entire house feel a lot more spacious even though it's not. Then we get into the kitchen. This is one of the best things about this place. This is really tall and I'm really short. But there's a lot of storage space. There's a lot of space efficiency. Like there's extra counter space here, which has kind of become our makeshift spice cabinet. There's a bag of plastic bags that you'll find in every Indian household. From the kitchen, kind of walking through, and this is a little corridor. Our washing machine, which is literally ancient. I'm pretty sure that this thing is older than I am. This is the bathroom. This apartment has a really rare thing for Bombay, is that it has a separate bathroom and a separate toilet. It also has like these magnetic doors, so you don't really have to lock them. You can just, okay. This one is not working. My favorite thing about the bathrooms is that they're pink. Another space-saving feature, this apartment has sliding doors. Just, I don't know, it's such a cool thing to see. I don't think this is a very Indian concept. But yeah, this is my bedroom. This is where my roommate and I sleep. This is my side of the bed, that's hers. Another great thing about these apartments is that the cupboards have mirrors on the inside. It's a really cool thing about this apartment is that it's so tiny, but it's found ways to save space and it's super efficient. We have this little balcony area. Balconies in Bombay are usually broken down. They'll usually break down like this wall or this wall and kind of basically extend the bedroom out into the balcony. I actually have a little bed sheet that I put on the floor. When we're a little less broke, we're gonna add floor cushions and things.
Next is Andheri East.
Hi, I'm Sonia. I'm a writer living in Bombay. I live in Andheri East. My side of the city is known for corporate offices. It's known for a lot of traffic, but also at the same time, it's a slightly residential space. So this is a 1 BHK. That's a 1 bedroom hall kitchen. So that's 1 bedroom, 1 hall, 1 kitchen. The rent for this place would be 35,000. I live alone. So that's the rent I pay. But I have a stray cat that I've adopted who stays with me. I just want to make you famous. So this is the entrance to my house. Now most doors in Bombay are either double, so there's a first door and a second door. So here we go. And here's the hall. That's the TV shelf with a bunch of books. This is the dining table that no one uses, honestly. So this is my favorite part of the room. So there's a small parapet up here. So you can just climb it, and there's an armchair. And these are my plants, and you can look into the garden. That's a mango tree right there. So leading from the hall, on our right we have our kitchen. It's a pretty huge kitchen for Bombay. Corner for the microwave, to have some microwave space. We have the stove, and that's the sink. They make sure there's a cabinet above the sink so that it drips directly from here into the sink. Because space again is an issue, we've put the washing machine right here in the kitchen. There's like a space built for the washing machine where the washing machine just fits really snugly. And of course there's the fridge, which has some pretty cool magnets from around the world and reminders that you're doing okay. Thank you. This is our bathroom. It's pretty simple, just a shower and a sink inside. Look at the wall, it's so pretty. I love this wall. This is my bedroom where the magic happens. These are my pillows and we have a little side table situation. It's a bit messy, but this is a wardrobe that my parents bought 10 years back, and the window which oversees the garden. That area is slightly special because it used to be a balcony. So this part literally from right here is where we had a balcony, but we brought that in, made it a part of the room. So that's where our shoe rack is, that's where my cupboard is. It's a small space because the furniture is pretty big.
Now we head to the coast, to Versova Beach.
Hi everyone, my name is Paroma. I live in this neighborhood called Versova, which is on the north end of the city, and I live here currently with my parents, which is actually super common for people in India to do. Felt like I had to justify that. So Versova used to be a very quiet and a calm neighborhood. We moved into this apartment in 2003, and since then this place has changed a lot. It's now become pretty artsy. There's a lot of like media people, a lot of filmmakers who live around here, a lot of cute cafes and shops, and young people mostly. The rent for this apartment, which is 1,000 square feet, is 90,000 rupees per month. But I do have friends who live in this neighborhood for as cheap as like 20,000-25,000 a month. Okay, welcome to our apartment. This is our living room. This is the view from my house. The windows are a little foggy because of the monsoons, and the air is really salty, so it sticks and it's really hard to clean these. Can't swim in the sea because it's pretty dirty, but it's really nice to look at. And in the evening, the sunsets are really gorgeous. We usually have meals here as a family every night when my dad comes back from work. Now we walk to my bedroom. This is my bedroom with a nice queen-size bed, the same sea-facing view, and a bookshelf that I really like, and some shelves for my makeup, a desk, a fake plant because I can't take care of real plants. That's our closet, which I'll show you in a second. And I have a lot of clothes, as you can see. So these doors are actually very common in like rural Indian villages, and they're very old. So we got these also from an antique market nearby. So our house everywhere has them with these like really old-fashioned copper locks. Here is our bathroom. We just renovated this, which is why it looks more modern than the rest of the house. We also have space for a washing machine at the back. And there is space for a dryer, but we don't have a dryer. This is our kitchen. It's pretty big. Have multi-stove, which actually is discontinued now, and a bunch of drawers, so a lot of storage space, microwave and oven, and more storage space. My mom is super organized, so as you can see, our spices, like any Indian household, are super organized. She's labeled every single type of lentil and bean that we have.
Okay guys, thanks for coming home, and I'm really glad you got to see a tour of my house.
Thank you for coming on this virtual tour of my home with me.
Hopefully you visit Bombay, and definitely come to Versova when you do. And thanks for watching this video.
Where should we go next on Apartments Around the World?